What if you could transform a tiny room into a lush tropical jungle without knocking down a single wall? You don't need a huge house, expensive furniture, or a massive greenhouse. The secret is choosing indoor plants with bold leaves, fast growth, and a naturally jungle-like appearance. In this video, we're counting down 9 incredible plants that can make even the smallest room feel greener, fuller, and more alive. Some create dramatic tropical leaves, while others climb upward or spill beautifully from shelves and hanging baskets. And the best part? Many of these plants are surprisingly easy to grow indoors. So, if your room feels empty, boring, or too small for your dream jungle, don't give up. One carefully chosen plant can completely change the atmosphere. Stay until number 9, because it can create an amazing tropical effect while using surprisingly little floor space. Number 1. Monstera Deliciosa. If you want the fastest way to make a small room feel like a tropical jungle, Monstera Deliciosa is hard to beat. Its huge, naturally split leaves instantly create that lush rainforest appearance people love. Even one healthy Monstera can become the visual centerpiece of a room, especially when placed beside a bright window or in an empty corner. For an extra jungle effect, place it near smaller plants with contrasting leaf shapes. Suddenly, one boring corner can look like a miniature tropical forest. Monstera is definitely a plant that makes a small space feel much bigger, greener, and more alive. Number 1. Monstera Deliciosa. If you want the fastest way to make a small room feel like a tropical jungle, Monstera Deliciosa is hard to beat. Its huge, naturally split leaves instantly create that lush rainforest appearance people love. Even one healthy Monstera can become the visual centerpiece of a room, especially when placed beside a bright window or in an empty corner. Number 2. Bird of Paradise. Want your small room to have a bold, tropical vacation feeling? Bring in a bird of paradise. This spectacular indoor plant produces enormous paddle-shaped leaves that immediately create a dramatic jungle atmosphere. Its tall growth habit is particularly useful when you want maximum visual impact without filling the entire floor with plants. Place it near a bright window where it can receive plenty of indirect sunlight, because strong light helps support healthy growth and impressive foliage. Rotate the pot occasionally so the plant grows more evenly toward the available light. Keep the soil lightly moist during active growth, but avoid leaving the roots sitting in water. The large leaves can collect dust, so gently wiping them with a soft, damp cloth helps them look glossy and healthy. Even when grown as a foliage plant, Bird of Paradise brings an unmistakable tropical character into the home. In a small room, its height draws the eyes upward, making the ceiling feel higher, while transforming an ordinary corner into a striking indoor jungle. Number 3. Golden Pothos. If your room is small, but you want a plant that can quickly create a green, overflowing effect, Golden Pothos is an excellent choice. Its heart-shaped leaves grow along long, trailing vines, making it perfect for shelves, bookcases, hanging baskets, and high cabinets. Instead of using valuable floor space, you can let the vines grow downward and create a beautiful curtain of greenery. Golden Pothos is also wonderfully adaptable and can tolerate a range of indoor conditions. Although brighter in direct light, usually helps maintain attractive variegation and stronger growth. Water when the soil begins to dry, and trim long vines whenever you want to encourage fuller growth. You can even propagate the cuttings in water and create additional plants for different parts of your room. Combine several vines at different heights, and suddenly, a plain wall can look dramatically greener. For renters, beginners, and anyone working with limited space, pothos is one of the easiest ways to create that layered jungle feeling without needing a giant collection of expensive tropical plants. Number 4. Heartleaf Philodendron. Heartleaf Philodendron is proof that you don't need giant leaves to create a jungle atmosphere. Its beautiful heart-shaped foliage grows along flexible vines that can trail from shelves, hang from baskets, or climb a support. This gives you incredible flexibility when decorating a compact room. Instead of spreading plants across the floor, you can use vertical surfaces and furniture to build layers of greenery. Place the plant in bright, indirect light for stronger growth, although it can adapt to lower light indoor conditions. Let the top portion of the potting mix dry slightly before watering, and always use a container with good drainage. One of the most exciting things about this plant is how easily you can shape its appearance. Allow the vines to cascade naturally for a relaxed jungle look, or train them upward for a taller green wall effect. Pair it with a Monstera or Pothos, and the different leaf sizes create beautiful visual depth. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for turning unused vertical space into greenery. Number 5. Rubber plant. For a small room that needs a strong, stylish jungle statement, the rubber plant is an excellent choice. Its large, thick, glossy leaves create a rich tropical appearance, while its upright growth keeps the plant relatively organized compared with sprawling vines. This makes it especially useful for placing beside a sofa, desk, doorway, or empty corner. Give it bright, indirect light, and rotate the container occasionally so the plant develops more evenly. Water thoroughly when the upper portion of the soil has dried. Then allow excess water to drain away. One of the biggest advantages of the rubber plant is its architectural shape. Instead of creating visual clutter, it adds height and structure while still delivering plenty of lush foliage. In a compact room, a tall plant can draw attention upward and make the space feel more layered. Choose a simple decorative pot and place it against a clean wall for maximum impact. With just one healthy rubber plant, an ordinary corner can instantly feel more sophisticated, tropical, and alive. Number 6. Syngonium is a fantastic choice when you want jungle-like greenery without needing a huge amount of space. Also known as arrowhead plant, it produces attractive arrow-shaped leaves and naturally develops a fuller, spreading appearance as it matures. Depending on how you grow it, Syngonium can trail from a hanging basket, spill over a shelf, or climb a support. That flexibility makes it perfect for compact rooms where every square inch matters. Bright, indirect light helps maintain attractive foliage, while slightly lower light can still be tolerated by many varieties. Keep the soil moderately moist, but avoid keeping it constantly saturated. Regularly trimming the growing tips can encourage a bushier appearance, helping one small container create a much fuller visual effect. Different Syngonium varieties also come in fascinating shades of green, cream, pink, and patterned foliage. Grouping 2 or 3 complementary varieties can make a tiny plant corner look surprisingly dense. If your goal is a layered indoor jungle with plants growing at different heights, Syngonium deserves a place on your list. Number 7. Calathea. If you want your indoor jungle to have color, movement, and unusual patterns, Calathea can transform a small room into something truly special. Its beautifully patterned leaves can feature stripes, spots, deep greens, and contrasting undersides that create visual interest from every angle. Unlike plants with simple green foliage, Calathea can act almost like living artwork. Place it somewhere with bright, filtered, or indirect light, while protecting it from harsh direct sunlight. Keep its soil evenly and lightly moist without allowing the pot to remain waterlogged. Calatheas also appreciate a stable indoor environment, so avoid placing them directly beside strong drafts or sudden temperature changes. Their broad leaves add fullness without necessarily requiring a huge footprint, making them useful for shelves, plant stands, and compact corners. Combine a patterned Calathea with a plain green pothos or philodendron, and the contrast becomes even more dramatic. When several different leaf textures are layered together, even a tiny room can begin to resemble a lush, tropical understory filled with fascinating foliage. Number 8. ZZ plant. Think your small room is too dark or you're simply too busy to maintain a complicated jungle collection. Meet the ZZ plant. With thick stems and glossy, deep green leaves, this plant adds a polished tropical feel while being remarkably forgiving. Its upright growth means it can fit comfortably into corners, beside furniture, or near a desk without spreading aggressively across the room. ZZ plants prefer bright, indirect light for strong growth, but they can tolerate lower light conditions better than many tropical houseplants. Their thick underground rhizomes store water, helping them handle periods between waterings. The biggest mistake is usually giving them too much water, so allow the potting mix to dry significantly before watering again. For a small room jungle, ZZ plants are especially useful because they provide strong vertical structure. Place one on a plant stand, another smaller plant on a shelf, and a trailing pothos above them. Suddenly, you have 3 layers of greenery without needing a giant amount of floor space. Sometimes, the easiest jungle is the one that doesn't demand constant attention. Number 9. Spider plant. Last, but definitely not least, spider plant can bring a light, energetic jungle feeling into even the smallest room. Its long, arching leaves create a beautiful fountain-like shape, while mature plants can produce baby plantlets that hang from long stems. This makes the plant especially attractive in hanging baskets, where the foliage can cascade through the air without taking up valuable floor space. Spider plants generally prefer bright, indirect light, although they can adapt to a variety of indoor conditions. Water when the soil begins to dry, and make sure excess moisture can escape through drainage holes. Their naturally arching shape contrasts beautifully with upright plants such as rubber plants or ZZ plants. That contrast is exactly what makes a small indoor garden feel more like a real jungle. Different heights, textures, and directions of growth. Place one above eye level and let the leaves and plantlets cascade downward. Add another plant beneath it, and your room suddenly has a layered canopy effect. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful visually. And there you have it, 2 indoor plants that can make even a small room feel like a beautiful green jungle. From the dramatic leaves of Monstera and Bird of Paradise to the cascading vines of Pothos and Spider Plant, each one can add a different layer of tropical beauty without requiring a huge amount of space. Remember, you don't need dozens of plants to create the jungle effect. Start with one tall plant, add one trailing plant, and then introduce smaller plants with different leaf shapes and textures. Use shelves, hanging baskets, plant stands, and vertical supports to build upward instead of filling every corner of the floor. The goal is to create layers of greenery that make your room feel deeper, fresher, and more alive. Which plant would you choose for your own indoor jungle? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Natural Life_SR7, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant ideas, growing tips, and beautiful green home inspiration.